Hello, my name is Sean Orwin. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I've had keratoconus for at least diagnosed since 1999, so 14 years plus. And when I was diagnosed, it was, oh, by the way, did you know you have this? Some years later, when it began getting more serious with losing more and more vision and then hearing people say that your choices are going to be contact lenses. Once glasses no longer work, then contact lenses, and then corneal transplant. And then my father came across um, Stephen Holcomb's book, But Now I See, and in that it talked about his experience with Dr. Bryan, and he immediately gave me that book to read, and we looked into coming out here to get this done, because I was looking at, especially with my right eye, I was looking at needing a corneal transplant soon, and I really did not want to have to go through that experience possibly multiple times and have face a lifetime of anti-rejection drugs. My experience here has been fantastic. Everything's gone smoothly. I'm from out of town, so I flew in, and the first day when I was examined, that went smoothly. They did all the measurements and told me what to expect. And the day of the procedure, it was very quick. And I, just with just some eye drops, and resting for the rest of the day. Not a lot of discomfort afterwards. Um, Everything went just as they told me it would, and I've had no difficulty since. And my procedure was yesterday, so my improvements that they noted today, are just on day one without any lenses. So I'm ecstatic. Before I came out here, my vision with glasses was 20/70, corrected. Now my vision in my left eye is 20/60 without glasses. I call that a huge win. My right eye has other issues, but at the very least, it's seen extra improvement beyond what the doctor thought might happen. So I definitely am, looking at not having to have the transplant, and looking at lenses being actually able to improve my vision in that eye, which wasn't really possible with glasses. This has been fantastic, and for anyone who's feeling a little uncertain about it, or not sure whether this is something you want to do, it's something you want to do. If you can stabilize your vision and increase your quality of life just that way, any improvement beyond that, is golden. So, I encourage you to come out, see Dr. Bryan, and have him talk to you. And I would, by all means, pursue this, because I'm not an Olympic bobsledder. I'm not an actor or actress. I'm just a guy from Fort Lauderdale, and this is going to mean the world to me. So I encourage you to come out and say hi to the staff here and have it done, because it'll change your world.